Hey guys, how's it going? How to withdraw Hamster Kombat token. To withdraw Hamster Kombat tokens, follow these steps. First, you could just log into your account, access your Hamster Kombat account where you have your tokens. Secondly, navigate to the withdraw section, go to the game's interface, and then basically find the withdraw or wallet section, and then enter the withdrawal details. Provide the recipient wallet address and the amount that you wish to withdraw. Double check for accuracy and confirm and initiate withdrawal. Verify the withdrawal details and click the withdraw button, and you might need to confirm your identity for security reasons and pay the transaction fee. You will need to pay a gas fee, typically in ETH, for the transaction. Ensure you have enough ETH in your wallet. So wait for the confirmation. Blockchain transaction take time. You can track the status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan by entering your transaction ID. Lastly, once confirmed, check your wallet to ensure that the tokens have arrived successfully. So let's find out in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.